Hi, I'm Jason with Solutions Pest and Lawn, and this is Pest Support, where you ask the questions and we give the answers. Our question today is, are weeds in the yard really that bad? Believe it or not, weeds do more for your lawn than just make them look bad. When they invade your lawn, they're actually competing for nutrients that your grass and other plants rely on. Think of a weed as a bully. It'll come in, push the grass aside, and then demand its milk money, where milk money here is water, sunlight, and other nutrients. And while the weed is there, it's laughing at you, too. This may not seem bad, but over time your grass will weaken, and if you let the weeds get out of control, your grass will eventually die. So if you start to see weeds creeping up in your lawn, then be proactive and control them by using pro-grade herbicides and simple lawn maintenance. That way, the weeds will move on and pick on your neighbor's grass instead. I'm Jason with Solutions Pest and Lawn, and this is Pest Support. If you have any pest control questions you need answers to, or have any pest-related problems you need help with, stop by one of our stores, visit our website, or give us a call and get help today. And if you let the weeds get out of control, your grass will eventually die. I feel like I'm trying to fearmonger people at this point. This stuff will die. You are trying to kill America. Okay.